Okay, so today we're gonna go over a sugar dress lace. I always forget what it's called. It's sugar lace, okay? Sugar lace that us cake decorators use on cakes, and they're beautiful and very easy to make, but I had a hard time when I first was learning how to make them, and I'm gonna walk you through the process with my coffee addict. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Sugar Dress Lace on YouTube by Luli Cakes. This is the brand that I use. I've never had to buy another one. I had no problems with it. Martellato.
What?
Martellato. Follow the instructions. They're very simple. Just mix them as much as possible to the point where it's a smooth consistency. Read the instructions. Oh! Okay, so now I'm just spreading it everywhere, not being neat at all, which is not a common thing, but have fun with it. Spread it everywhere in every groove. And then once it's all over the entire mold, we're gonna start scraping. And you're gonna find bubbles. Annoying bubbles everywhere. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back and fill in those empty holes of those bubbles with more mixture until the entire mold is filled completely. I love doing this. This is so fun. I really do enjoy it a lot. I might just make these and sell them, but I don't usually get lace orders because people usually order crazy cakes from me, not pretty girly lacy cakes. But it is very, very therapeutic to make this. Now, okay, I've spread it, I've neatened it up. Now it needs to dry. We need to dehydrate it. We don't need to cook it. We don't need to bake it. We don't need to melt it or burn it. We have to dehydrate it. I do it 3 ways. You can put it on the cookie sheet on the radiator. I have radiators in my house. I don't know what you guys have. But you need a nice wide surface. Or you can put it in an electric oven with the light on, or a gas oven, no light necessary, because it generates some kind of heat while it would dehydrate it. I flipped it over. I find this to be the easiest way to remove it without breaking. My baby's in the background, my 13-year-old. My baby. He hates it when I call him that. Okay, so if it's coming off easily, it's because it's done. If it's not coming off, it's not ready. Put it back. It's not ready. It needs more time. See how beautiful? It's like a plastic. It ends up feeling like a plastic. I have a little piece here. And this has been out for like months. It just stays the same way. It's like a little plastic lace. Now you can decorate. I just steam my cake a little bit and it attaches right away. Ta-da! Now you can decorate. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time in the next video. Hi guys. Oh, that's so fake. And we're gonna have coffee while we do it. Okay, don't like that. Ah! Oh my God. Oh, still recording. My freaking lash is coming off. What is happening? Why is it taking so long? Okay. See how beautiful? I love them. I want to do them and sell them. Would you guys buy them? I love them. It comes out very easily and it won't break. Look, it's like plastic. It's amazing. I love it. Look how pretty. And I'm gonna go over the process of making it. Why did I do that? Over the process of making it. Who loves coffee? I do. Okay. I don't know. Ta-da! This lash is not cooperating and it's annoying the shit out of me. Freaking lazy. Oh, I'm recording this? Okay. Maybe I'll put this up.